Hey everyone, today, let's tackle a common challenge, transferring photos from your Huawei phone to your PC. Huawei phones are renowned for their quality, especially their cameras. Join me as I show you the best and safest ways to get your photos onto your computer. Way 1. How to transfer photos from Huawei to PC with MobiKin Assistant for Android. As a senior Huawei mobile enthusiast, I have tried a lot of tools for transferring photos and managing mobile phones, but there is one utility that fascinated me. It is MobiKin Assistant for Android. Here's how to transfer photos from Huawei phone to PC. Step 1. Connect Huawei to PC with a USB cable and enable USB debugging on Huawei device. Step 2. Follow the prompts of the program to make the connection successful. Once connected, you might see the following interface. Step 3. Hit Photos from the left sidebar and choose pictures that you want to transfer by ticking the corresponding checkboxes. Next, press Export on the top menu to transfer photos from Huawei to PC. Way 2. How to transfer pictures from Huawei phone to computer with Huawei HiSuite. Huawei HiSuite is a mobile management tool launched by Huawei for its most smartphones. It can help Huawei mobile users manage the synchronization of the phone data, like pictures, contacts, SMS, and others. Way 3. How to transfer photos from Huawei P Smart to PC with Huawei Share. Want to transfer photos from Huawei to PC with Huawei Share? Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are two required elements for Huawei file transfer, which are automatically turned on when you enable Huawei Share. Way 4. How to transfer photos from Huawei phone to computer with Huawei HiCloud. For Huawei Honor users, you may have some knowledge of this feature of Huawei cloud storage called Huawei HiCloud. Way 5. How to transfer photos from Huawei to Mac or PC with Huawei Built-in Backup Function. Unlike Huawei HiCloud, Huawei Backup supports almost all Huawei phones. This is a feature that comes with Huawei mobiles,